bring a banana. Oh my god! Hi! You're back! You're here again! Hi! I was wondering if I'd see you again. Look, I even brought my little recording little thing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see you too. Look at you. That is so cool. I love how free you are. Look at you. Hey, I was gonna bring some bananas. You want some? You want some banana? I don't know if you could eat mango. Oh my goodness. Hey, careful. Careful, Shelby. You might want to stay back from this guy. Are you trying to break it on purpose? Oh man. Are you trying to break it on purpose or what's going on? Hey! Oh my gosh! Hey, I want to show you where I'm staying. And I want to come continue to see you. Yeah. Hey, calm down. Hey, be gentle. Be gentle with the tree. Take it easy. That's those are that's your traveling system. Don't break the tree branches. Hey, you got any friends? You have any friends or anything? I'm sure you do. And if you don't, it's okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bruh. Oh my gosh. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, can you teach me how to do that? Where do you sleep at night? I was wondering. Same place, different place every night. Different branch. Hey, I'm gonna leave you some bananas. Okay? I'm gonna leave you some bananas. Okay? Come back tomorrow. He came back. He came back. And he always goes that way. Always goes that way. Oh, there he is still. Off he goes. Stay in your little protection bubble, little monkey. Big monkey. What a beautiful surprise to see him again. Oh man, now I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. Oh, off he goes. Off he goes in his little jungle life. On the trees. On these beautiful trees. I love it. I knew I needed to come out. I knew it. I brought my camera because I knew it.